AgentGPT is making some bold claims about AI agents that can take on tasks for you, but can it really deliver? Let's dig into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. AgentGPT positions itself as a platform where you can create personalized AI agents that can handle various tasks, from managing emails to conducting research. The interface looks user-friendly, which is a plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. You can customize agents based on specific needs, which is interesting but also raises some questions about how effective these agents can really be in practice. One thing that stands out is the variety of templates available for different tasks, which could save users a lot of time. However, while the customization options are appealing, the documentation around how to effectively set up these agents feels a bit sparse. Users might find themselves guessing about the best practices. The target audience seems to be individuals looking for AI assistance in their daily tasks, but it's unclear how well the platform scales for more complex needs. So, what are the pros and cons of AgentGPT? On the plus side, the interface is intuitive and offers a decent range of templates that can help users get started quickly. However, the lack of detailed documentation and user support might leave some users frustrated, especially those who are not familiar with AI platforms. Another concern is the transparency around how the AI operates. Without clear visibility into its decision-making process, it might be challenging for users to trust the outputs fully. Pricing could also be a sticking point, as the value proposition isn't crystal clear without knowing how effective these agents are in real-world applications. Overall, while casual users might find some utility in it, more advanced users could quickly outgrow its capabilities. In conclusion, AgentGPT has potential, especially for those looking to dip their toes into AI assistance. However, if you're seeking something robust with comprehensive support, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth trying if you're curious, but be prepared for some bumps along the way.